Long before we had smartphones, encrypted chat apps, or high-tech gadgets, brave spies and secret agents throughout history faced a terrifying problem because if they were caught carrying secret battle plans or hidden codes, they would be in serious trouble. So they had to invent a clever way to communicate right under the noses of their enemies without anyone noticing. Thousands of years ago, dating back to the ancient Greeks and Romans, and even during the American Revolution with George Washington, real-life heroes used a weapon that you probably have sitting in your kitchen right now, which is the ordinary and humble lemon. This might sound crazy, but the juice inside a lemon was the key to saving lives and winning wars because it allows you to write words that completely vanish into thin air, leaving the paper looking innocent and blank until you decide to reveal the truth. To understand how this amazing trick works, you have to know a little bit of chemistry because lemon juice is an organic substance that contains carbon compounds, and these compounds are colorless when they're at room temperature, which is why you can't see them on the paper. But when these compounds get hot, the heat breaks them down and releases the carbon, causing them to turn brown and burn faster than the paper itself, just like how bread turns brown in a toaster. To start your own top-secret mission and become a master spy, you first need to gather your supplies. So go to the kitchen and grab a fresh lemon, a small bowl, a few drops of water, a cotton swab or a Q-tip to use as your pen, a plain piece of white paper, and most importantly, a source of heat like a lamp with a hot light bulb or an iron. But remember that for the heating part, you must have an adult nearby to ensure safety. The first step in this thrilling experiment is to cut the lemon in half and squeeze all that sour juice into the bowl, making sure to remove any seeds because you want smooth ink. And then add just a tiny drop of water to the juice, which helps it flow better on the page without being too sticky. Now the excitement really begins because you are going to dip your cotton swab into your magic potion and start writing your secret message on the white paper. Perhaps you can write a secret password, a confession, or a map to a hidden treasure chest. But as you write, you will notice that the wet juice leaves a shiny mark, which might worry you, but do not panic because this is part of the process. You have to be patient and let the paper dry completely. And this is the time where the real magic happens, because as the water evaporates from the juice, your writing will slowly fade away until the paper looks totally empty, white, and boring. So if your brother, sister, or best friend walks into the room and looks at the paper, they will think it is just trash, and they will have absolutely no idea that it holds a mysterious secret. Once the paper is bone dry and your message is invisible, you are ready for the most thrilling part of the experiment, which is the big reveal using the power of heat. You need to take your paper and hold it close to a hot light bulb, or you can ask an adult to gently iron the paper on a low setting. And as the paper heats up, you will start to smell the faint scent of warm lemon pie filling the air. Suddenly, like a ghost coming out of the fog, your letters will start to appear one by one, turning a rich golden brown color against the white background, and it is the most satisfying feeling in the world to watch your invisible words pop up as if by magic. This happens because the acid in the lemon juice weakens the paper, and the sugar in the juice caramelizes and burns before the rest of the paper does, proving that science can be just as exciting as a magic spell. Now that you have unlocked the ancient secret of invisible ink, you can send notes to your fellow agents, hide secrets in plain sight, and amaze your family with your knowledge of chemistry and history, all thanks to a simple yellow fruit.